Hey friends, if File Explorer is not highlighting selected files and folders, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. First of all, restart the File Explorer menu. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Let the list load. Right click on Windows Explorer and then select Restart. The next one is to update or reinstall the display driver. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and select update driver, and the second one right click on it, update driver. The next one is to disable the high contrast mode. Actually, just disable all contrast modes. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the accessibility tab, right click click on contrast themes, select none, and then you can disable fast startup. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command powercfg.cpl and hit enter. Now go to this option on the list on the left side. Choose what the power buttons do. Change settings that are currently unavailable and uncheck this box associated with turn on fast startup. Okay, I'll show you. And then click on save changes. Now change your theme. So right click on the start button. Select settings from the menu. Go to the personalization tab and pick any of these five themes, not the sixth one. The sixth one is an interchanging theme. Don't pick this one. Pick this one or this one or this one where I'm hovering the mouse, this one or this one. Leave this one, the interchanging theme. And lastly, troubleshoot in the clean boot state just to in case a third party software is causing the problem. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.